Nothing has ever been out of place in the existence, but much has been out of place in human societies. This human societies being out of place has happened because people are trying to build social structures based on their ideology, belief systems, religion and caste. So these are artificial structures that you have created. Based on that, you build a social structure. Naturally, it is always intention to break down and fall, and to keep it up, you have to enforce it. It is important that we build social structures as organic, inclusive and seamlessly diverse as natural structure is, as universal structure is, as the nature of life on this planet is, how seamlessly everything is enmeshed into each other. Just like that, our societies need to be built like this. This was the nature of ancient Bharat, but today we have taken on ideologies, values, morals, ethics and try to build artificial structures which want to collapse simply because there is no natural integration of this, and we are always trying to forcefully keep it up and enforce it. This is not the way to build human societies. Very, very important. When we want to build anything in human society, the most important thing is we observe the natural order of things in nature. If you do not know how to do that, the best thing is to observe our own physical nature, how everything is so different but all well integrated into each other, how seamlessly they function. This is how society should function. Only when society functions not as an organization, but as an organism, does societies, nations and the global society on the whole will function successfully towards largest possible well-being for the human beings that it is supposed to serve.